Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. This is Ajit Lole, Assistant Professor, Yashwantrao Chavan College of Science, Karan. This lecture is for BSc second year students. Today I will discuss what is stratigraphy and different principles of stratigraphy. Before going to start the lecture, I would like to review about rock. There are three main types of rock: igneous rock, sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. Igneous rocks formed by solidification of magma or lava. Sedimentary rocks are also called as secondary rocks. These rocks are formed due to erosion, transportation, deposition and compaction. And metamorphic rocks are the rocks which are formed by pronounced change in temperature, pressure and chemical active fluid. Out of that, sedimentary rock which are formed by sedimentation process, and the process involves erosion, transportation, deposition and compaction. Due to that process, the rock is formed by layered formation. And today's topic is stratigraphy. Stratigraphy is the branch of geology which deals with the study of sedimentary rocks to interpret the geological history of the past. Why? Because only sedimentary rocks capable to preserve the geologic history in the form of fossil records. So, stratigraphy is the branch of geology which deals with the study of sedimentary rocks, or it is layered rock. Stratigraphy means the study of layered rocks. I already discussed or said. The term has been derived from stratum, meaning layers, sedimentary strata, graphy meaning description. It is also called as historical geology because it tells the history of past. There are three different principles of stratigraphy: law of order of superposition, law of uniformitarianism and law of Fornell succession. Law of order of superposition. Order of superposition. It is first given by Danish physician named as Steno in 1669. He pointed out that if the sedimentary formation which is lying in normal position, then the bed of the bottom of sequence is always older than the bed of the top of the sequence. The above figure said A is formed at the bottom, that means it is older bed, and E as the topmost, that is younger bed. Law is a very simple law. He pointed out that if the sedimentary formation which is lying in normal position, the bottom bed is always older than the top bed. That is law of order of superposition. Example is igneous rocks are younger than the rock in which they intrude. Igneous rocks are younger than the rock into which they intrude. Fault is younger than the formation cuts. These are the two examples. Then second law is law of uniformitarianism. That law is given by Scottish geologist named as James Hutton in 1788. The principle behind this law is present is key to the past. Present is key to the past. Present is key to the past. whatever processes which are taken place today, the same processes which are taken place at the past. The principle behind this law is simple, that is present is key to the past. This means whatever processes which are taken place today were the same processes that took place million years back. Example, layering, or evidences of that law is layering and variation of grain size. By actual observation, we know that layering and variation of grain size seen in the sediments on the banks of the rivers are because of change in velocity of the river. Then ripple mark. Ripple marks are formed on the seashore as well as on the lake side. The ripple marks are formed by to and fro movement of the water waves. Hence, the ripple marks found in older sedimentary rocks were also formed by same processes. Current bedding is also like this. Then last law, that is law of funnel succession. That law is put forth by a British engineer named as William Smith, 1769 to 1839. William Smith, who is generally regarded as the father of modern stratigraphy. He first recognized the fact that fossil can be used to correlate and date. He first recognized the fact that the fossils can be used to correlate and date. The sedimentary rocks in which they were formed during his work, he found that the same group of fossils always occurred in the same rock layer. The fossils in the above and below layer were entirely different. The fossils present at the older bed and younger bed, these are the entirely different fossils. These fossils occurred in same order is widely separated localities. The discovery of William Smith led to the establishment of law of funnel succession. That is law of funnel succession. The law states that there has been a progressive change of life through geologic time. There has been progressive change of life through geologic time, and each period of time may be recognized by its fossil content. That is, simple fossils are present in older rocks, while complicated fossils occur in younger rock. This is due to evolution. This is due to evolution. Law simple states that fossils or simple fossils are present in older rocks, while complicated fossils occur in younger rocks due to evolution. Law of funnel succession. So today we discuss about stratigraphy. Stratigraphy means study of sedimentary rocks or layered rocks. To study geologic history, it is also called as historical geology. And the principles of stratigraphy, there are three different main principles of stratigraphy: law of order of superposition, law of uniformitarianism, law of funnel succession. Law of order of superposition state that the normal conditions bed present at the bottom is always older than the top. Simple. Then law of uniformitarianism, present is key to the past. Whatever processes which are taken place today, the same processes which are taken place at the past, but intensity was different. That is law of uniformitarianism. And the funnel succession, that law is the simple fossils which are present at the older rock, while complicated fossils at the younger rock. This is the today's lecture. I hope you understood what is stratigraphy and different principles of stratigraphy. Those who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. आणि जर काही शंका असतीलच तर त्या मला कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये विचारायला विसरू नका. ओके, थँक्यू.